What's up, guys? My name is James Chick, and I have been in the film and TV industry for about 15 years now, and I am so excited to announce my next project. I am the writer and director of Feet of Death, a monster film where Chris, a paranormal investigator, and Jason, a USFS ranger, are both looking into a string of strange deaths in a small town at the foothills of Mount St. Helens. Unknowingly, the two strangers cross paths in a strange twist of fate. In trying to figure out the explanation for these deaths, Jason must grapple with the reality that Bigfoot might actually exist. Okay, hold on. I know what some of you are thinking. Ugh, not another Bigfoot movie. But I honestly believe this is different than anything out there. It's not a group of friends locked in a cabin in the woods or a single guy out alone the entire film. There are actual characters in this film that you can relate to and care about. And it's just as much a whodunit or a thriller as it is a monster film. And I feel like that's a combination that's going to be really fun to watch. But enough about that. Let me introduce you to some of the people already attached to this project.
Hello, my name is Eamon Long. I have the fortunate distinction of being the director of photography for this film. I've been in this business for about 20 years now, spanning from being a film loader on 35 all the way up to the digital revolution. In working with James, I think we've come up with an aesthetic that really will put you in the middle of this story and hopefully will terrify you.
Hey everybody, it's Kevin Porter here. Now, if there are two things that I enjoy most in this world, number one, it's working with James Chick, and number two, it's Sasquatch. I'm a huge Bigfoot fan, and I always have been, going way back to when he made an appearance on The $6 Million Man. And the script's incredible. It's engaging, it's scary, it's funny, and my role is awesome, and I just can't wait. I can't wait to get shooting. I can't wait to get back up to the Pacific Northwest. So be a part of this and sit back and go, you know what? I did that. I was a part of that, because without you guys, we couldn't do it. So thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I am one of the producers on Feet of Death, and I am excited to announce that we will be starting production September 15th here in the beautiful Pacific Northwest.
We have some really awesome perks for those of you that choose to join us on this journey. Buy a digital download of the completed film. Come hang out on set for a day. Or purchase a speaking role in the film. You could even become an executive producer and join us at the red carpet premiere. And we're working with a producer that has secured global distribution for multiple films, so you know you're backing a project that will not only be completed, but be seen across the globe. I am so excited about this project and cannot wait for you to join us on this journey. If you guys have any questions, hit us up down below or on our social media.